ready to share your voice with the world and build an online presence. Let's dive into how to add a blog to your WordPress site right now. First things first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard once you're in. Look for the Posts option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. You'll land on your Posts page to create a brand new blog post. Simply click the Add New button, usually located at the top of the page. This is where the magic begins. Now you're in the WordPress editor, the first thing you'll want to do is add a compelling title for your blog post. Think of something that grabs attention and clearly states the topic. Below the title is your main content area. This is where you'll type out your thoughts, share your expertise, or announce your news. You can add text, format it with headings, bold, italics, and even insert images or videos to make your post more engaging. To help your readers find your content more easily, it's crucial to categorize your posts on the right-hand side of the editor. You'll find the Categories box. Click Add New Category and create relevant categories for your blog. Give your new category a name, like Tips and Tricks or Company News, and then click Add New Category. You can also select existing categories to assign your post to. Below categories, you'll find tags. Tags are like keywords that further describe your post. Think about words people might search for to find your content and add them here. Once your content is ready and categorized, it's time to publish. In the top right corner of the editor, you'll see the Publish box. You can choose to publish it immediately by clicking the Publish button. Or if you want to plan your content in advance, click the drop-down next to Immediately and select a future date and time to automatically publish your post. This is a fantastic way to maintain a consistent posting schedule. When you're happy with your post, simply click the Publish button. Congratulations! Your first blog post is now live on your WordPress site. You've just taken a huge step in building your online community and establishing your authority. Keep sharing your passion and expertise, and watch your audience grow.